beauties, and welcome back to another video. If you guys want to see how I got this look, then just stay tuned and let's get started. Alrighty, I already moisturized my face with my Cetaphil moisturizer. I'm going to be going in with my Hangover primer. Let's just go in and correct our face with our Dragon Beauty color corrector. I hope the camera is focusing because that bimbo has not been focusing for the past videos. I don't know if it's because I had it like really close, maybe, I'm pretty sure, but I have it pretty far, so hopefully it does focus this time. And today we're gonna do our foundation first because we're gonna do a really soft eyeshadow. I'm gonna be using my Tarte Double Duty Beauty Face Tape Foundation, and I am in the color 35N Medium Neutral. Spread it to see if I'm gonna need more. Yes, I'm gonna need a little bit more. I like how the foundation has like a pump already, because some of these foundations sometimes you have to buy the pump separately, which I hate it. And I'm just gonna blend my foundation in. Oh my god, this foundation is amazing. Now that we have our foundation, we're gonna go in with our concealer. I'm gonna be using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and this is in the color Light. And I'm just gonna conceal in the center of my face. I honestly don't feel like I need to conceal. I feel like the foundation does the work, but I just like concealing lighter under my eyes. And I'm going to be using my Too Faced setting powder, and this is in the color Translucent. So let's just blend in our concealer. There. Now I'm just going to set my face with my translucent powder. So I'm going to show you guys real fast what I got from Target while my face is baking. I love Target. I got these eyelashes, and I just feel like these lashes are so bomb. Like, these are my favorite drugstore lashes. I don't know why I always get little things, but I got my Tresemme hair. Oh, this is mousse. I thought it was a hairspray, but I mean, I guess this works. And then I also got Not Your Mother's Clean Freak Refreshing Dry Shampoo. I really love this also. When I don't shower my hair, I like to use this. And I got an e.l.f. Sheer Tint Brow Gel. I haven't tried this, but I'm excited. And then I also got the Wet n Wild eyeliner, and this is in the color brown. I've been looking for a brown eyeliner. I've been using this one and I fucking love it. If you guys haven't tried the e.l.f. Lift Brow Pencil, it's so good. I got the color Neutral Brown. So yeah, I've been loving this. And it's cheap. It's only $2. So I'm going to use this one to do my eyebrows. But let me just set my whole face. I'm just going to set it with my powder. You guys already know I always use this one. Eyebrow part is really boring. I'm just going to do my eyebrows without the camera, and then I'll be back for the eyes. Alright, let's go in with the eyes. I am using my Anastasia Soft Glam palette. And this is how the palette looks. So we're going to be using Burnt Orange as our transition color. And like I said, this is going to be a really soft glam. Now we're going to go in with the color Orange Soda, which is this one right here. We're just going to use that one to blend in the burnt orange. Oh yes, bitch. Let me just put this in the bottom just so I know where to stop. And then I'm going to go in with this color. It's called Bronze. It's like this golden one. And I'm going to apply it all over the eyelid. Like that. And then I'm gonna go in again with my transition color and just blend that color around the shimmery color. And then we are done. And I'm going like a V shape in the outer because I want my eyeshadow to kind of like blend going out. We're gonna go in with this dark brown. It's called Cypress Number right here. And we are going to outline our eyelid, like kind of like if we're doing an eyeliner, but with eyeshadow. Ooh, yes. Okay, so we are done. I'm gonna just bronze my face. Let's bronze the face. And I'm gonna use my Kylie Jenner Tanned and Gorgeous bronzer. You guys are gonna be slaying all December. And then I'm gonna bronze my nose. Alrighty, now I'm gonna go in with my bronzer from Physician Formula and just apply this on my cheeks. And then with my setting powder, I'm gonna bake under the bronzer. And we are done. I'm gonna use my Morphe setting spray. I'm just gonna put my eyelashes and my highlighter and my lipstick and I'll be back. So I am back. This is the final look. I'm gonna zoom in so you guys can see how my eyeshadow looks. So it's a really easy glam. I seriously like finished doing my hair, my makeup in like less than 30 minutes. In my lips, I'm using the ColourPop Ultra Matte Lip Color in color LAX. It's this burgundy dark color. Oh my god, why is my voice acting stupid? Oh, and I'm using my e.l.f. Sheer Tint Brow Gel just so my eyebrows can stay in place. And then for my eyelashes, I'm using my Lily lashes that came in my BoxyCharm of, I believe, November. Very like full, but they're tiny and I like them. They kind of like look like eyelash extensions when I did it. For my highlighter, I'm using my Ofra Signature palette and I'm using Blissful. It's such a nice highlighter. It's gonna be this one right here. But yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and turn on your bell notifications so you guys are notified every single time I upload. And that's pretty much it. Let me know down below if you guys love this look, recreate this look, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.